Okie doke. What we have here is a USB car charger. Whoop, no. You can put this into your cigarette lighter in your car and charge up devices. But you see, it also shows your car voltage. So I'm going to open it up here. And here's what we have. There we go. Okay, there is some foil over here to pull off. You can charge up to 2 items. This is going to go, let's see if I have it on. Well, don't have it on yet. Plug it in. Now this, articulates here, so you can move it around. You can move it side to side also, I think. Oh, wait a minute. I thought we could move it side to side. Maybe not. Well, I guess you could twist it and move it some. But anyway, I don't want to break it, and I haven't looked at the instructions, of course. So there we have it. Now I'm going to turn this on, and helps if you have it all pushed all the way in. There you have the voltage. This thing is putting out 14 volts. Normally your car would be putting out, 12 or less. And it shows. Now I have my cell phone here. And what did I just do with my cell phone? I wanted to have all this stuff together. Here it is. So, going to plug this into the USB port. And it is in. Let me look at this. Still shows 14 volts and shows something's plugged in. But it doesn't show, it's going to show some additional information here. And I'm plugging this into my cell phone now. I have the phone upside down. Trying to do this fast. Okay, there we go. Now, can you see? Let's see. I can't change. Okay, it shows the voltage on this thing. 5 volts at 2 amps, 2.4 amps actually. If I plugged another one in to the other side, it would show also the information on the other side. There it goes. Whoops, it came in focus for a little bit, didn't it? So, pretty neat. Keeping things charged up, especially when you're on the road, really important. And this, let's see, 3.4 amp, 2-port USB rapid charger with LED screen displays out input voltage and car's battery voltage. Travel charger rapid car charger auto adapter for iPhone 6, 6, 5S, 5, 4, iPad, iPod, GoPro, Samsung Galaxy, smartphone, tablet, And of course my phone here is an HT, it's a USB device, so. But anyway, they list a bunch of stuff. With LED screen to show car battery voltage. When voltage is below 12 volts or above 24 volts, the buzzer alarm will automatically ring. The current will show on the screen automatically. The plug is flexible and can be rotated 180 degrees with intelligent chip inside, etc., etc. I'm not going to list everything because you can look at the information there at Amazon.com. And right now, this thing only sells for $14. From Amazon, it's $14. You cannot, you cannot beat that. I mean, to have that available. Put it in your go bag. Put it in your glove. Hell, buy one for your glove compartment. Put one in your camera bag or whatever when you're, you know. Let's see. I very seldom fly. I think no, they have USB ports, don't they? They don't have uh, plugs like that. I'm gonna unplug my cell phone here. Okay, gonna pull this out. Okay, trying to keep this short because Amazon, their video reviews, they don't allow them to be files to be very big or very long. So there you have it. I'll put a well, won't put a link to it, but this will be on YouTube. No, maybe I will put this on YouTube. This is being made for the Amazon review. I may put it on YouTube also. Not sure. Anyway, thanks very much for watching.